Hello, and welcome to Devlog number 1 of a space adventure artifacting exploring game. So here we have a game called Scuba Diving at Quill Lake, and I will be bringing up a little bit of some desktop audio. But if we can press play, we can see that we have our own custom character here, and we basically, all we have to do is jump in the water and find artifacts to collect. Alright, and I think I'm almost done with the entire game. I might be done with the entire game, but what we have an aqua breather, so now we don't really need anything else except for another suit to, unlock different areas basically, or to go inside different areas. So, well, we basically, like, go down here, and we can explore stuff. Alright, I think I have the super suit as well. Yeah, we have the power suit. So this is the best suit in the game. And basically, you do is you find artifact and coins, and then you take them back to the pawn shop and sell the artifacts. Which is basically the same as my game that I'm going to want to be making, and it is going to be heavily inspired by Scuba Diving at Quill Lake. Which I think will be a really good concept. We have an ice pickaxe and all that, We have a flashlight as well. If we go ahead and use this, I want to go ahead and make everything a little bit more modern, because this was actually one of my favorite games back. I played around 2019, 2017. It was a really good game, and it's been discontinued, so I want to remake it, almost remake it, but remaster it and just make it 10 times better. But with the theme space, alright? Basically, we'll have a space station in the middle of nowhere. Okay, so now that we're back in studio, what I'm going to do is I'm going to use Profile Service as our data store service, rather than creating my own data store, because I think Profile Service is easier to use, and it's also pretty simple and simple to get as well. So now let's go and start blocking it out by bringing in the data store. Okay, so now let's go and activate our data store here, right? Enable studio access to API services. So now we can go and test it out in the game, okay? So if we're gonna press play, we should see that in the output it actually prints it, I think. Or no, wait, we need to actually put that in another script. So now that our data store is done, I think I want to go and model some stuff like coins and some artifacts that we're going to be using as testing, but we're just going to be using a normal block for that. Basically, we will have a normal block here, and I just need to figure out how I'm going to create this system, okay? And I'm just going to scale it up a little bit more, something like that. Okay, so we have our part here. I'm just gonna color it weirdly. So we have our part here, and basically I think I'll have it so that most of everything here is gonna be handled by the server, almost by the server. So we're gonna have a folder to hold all the artifacts in the current place, and then we will actually make it so that the artifacts, when you collect them, we'll be using proximity prompts to make it easy. Okay, so I think I somewhat have the system I want working. Obviously, this is just for testing purposes, to see if it actually prints our statement. Okay, so it definitely didn't. So now we can go and pick up artifacts, sell them, and earn a whole lot of cash. Alright. So, basically, alright, so I know this devlog wasn't as productive as it should be, but the next devlog will have a lot more stuff, right? This is basically an introduction to the game, or to the series. And I appreciate you guys staying for the end, and if you want to watch more of this, you can go and subscribe and turn on post notifications so you are gonna get notified when I upload a devlog. And I know I've been gone for a while, alright? I know I've been gone for a while, 6 months a while, and I decided to take a huge break. Alright, I just started this game not too long ago, a few days ago or a week ago, and progress is going pretty good. And I hope you guys like the game as well, and this time I'll actually complete the game. So see you in the next one. Don't forget to like. That's it.